Looking as I'm as old, there is no change. Are you okay?
All things are joke for you, no? You don't anything to know.
Why are you scolding me there to here?
Why you creating the problem? Only 2000 is the matter, no?
Okay, I accept my mistake. Why are you telling me again this, yaar? Let's leave this. Do you have to find him and say sorry?
I'm not telling you done a wrong thing. Already I'm in a critical problem. Now you're creating a new problem, right?
It's finished. Let's leave that, yaar. No problem after here.
Hey!
Hello? Hello? Hey! Hello?
What do you want? Huh?
Come with the...
Dia? Ah! Dia, my baby? It's long since I met you, baby. Aha! Hey, looks like a happy news.
Where is auntie?
Amina?
What is
Amina! I'll just come. Hey, see, Amina.
I'm coming.
Who has come here?
I think there is a problem.
They are happy only.
It's not same as old, yaar.
I think you forgot it. She's 10 years old only.
I think there is a problem, yaar.
Hey, just see who is there.
My dear, I've not seen you for so many years. How are you now?
We just came to see you.
That's right.
Auntie, what's the sound inside your
Oh,
home?
that. He was hitting the servant in our house.
Look here. If it doesn't listen to me, I'll just do this to it.
Why you look like this?
This. I just killed a fowl. Hey, I haven't seen you before here.
Actually, I'll come last time.
Yeah.
She came with me.
Listen, you don't remember her? Tara. My dear. Come, both of
you
you come
come.
inside. Come,
You also come.
come carefully.
Please come.
You're coming here after a long time. Why don't you come whenever you find time? Isn't it? When did you come here last time? Do you remember?
Hey, there is no range here, yaar.
Estara. Here DSNL tower only available.
Okay, done.
How is your leg now?
Very painful, yaar. I have to go to hospital tomorrow.
You're already going a trip, no? That time came only.
But I didn't feel that, yaar.
Really? Then how it is came? Okay, you're not going today?
No, yaar. I don't want to leave you from here without you.
Tara, what are you telling? She is not that type of person.
That's okay. I want to tell you something.
Yeah, tell.
Whenever I see the auntie, it reminds me the Korean Psycho family, you know.
Psycho, they, super. What she is telling?
You didn't say me the reason to stay here in the middle of the forest. You have to tell me the reason. Okay. Hereafter, I won't ask you the reason. Whenever you feel free, just tell me.
I'll go and see. Wait.
They asked me to call you for the dinner.
Yeah, we'll come. You go. We come.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, Bengali. Come here,
Oh,
man.
brother.
Come fast. when you're eating. Amina, give her those chicken pieces. Let them eat.
It's okay, uncle.
You also take some.
Eat well, baby. You're not eating for only one. You should eat for 2 people. Okay?
Here it is.
Here. You take this. What are you doing?
How many times I've told you? I will take only hot milk. You should know that. Take it and go now. Get out.
My God.
Why are you doing this, uncle?
There is no point in telling him all this. This guy standing here is the 12th servant for this month. He will say something to anybody coming here and send them out. What can I do?
He will not go. Because he's a Bengali. A local man will go away. You keep eating. Eat well, please. Give them some more pieces.
Why he is like that?
What are you
please
looking
keep
at?
silent,
Give
I'll
them
tell
some eat. Hey, you should eat well. Hey, this is country chicken, baby. This is not the ordinary broiler. Eat well. It's good for you. It's country chicken is always good for your health. It's not the broiler chicken. Okay, eat
nothing,
this
uncle.
biryani also. Show me your plate. I'll give you more. Eat. What are you looking at? Whom are you waiting for?
There is no range here. Just check it outside. Oh, such a small village here. Shit, there is no range. There is no range in outside also. Superb. There is no electricity even. Done. Very good. When the electricity will be back? Who locked this?
It's this. 10 o'clock, the power will be off from here. You want this?
No, I have the light.
Then you go and sleep. I look at that Bengali. La 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 re do ra re do ra ra re do ra la 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 re na la re do
Why is you locked it? Diya?
Huh?
Diya?
1 minute, Tara.
Come soon, yaar.
Yeah, coming.
Why you locked it, yaar?
I didn't lock the door.
Then?
I hear someone knock the door, so I'll close the door.
Maybe your uncle only.
Go, go.
Inside it is too hotter. When the electricity will be back?
Hereafter, current will come.
Why?
They have a one daughter, Rasina. You know, no?
Did I saw her?
We came last time, no? You seen the photos, right?
She settled in Gulf, right, with her husband.
That's right. Auntie also lived there.
What's the connection between the electricity and this girl?
Actually, 1 year before, in that country, one time she got a shock.
Oh.
After that problem, uncle every time, night time he removed the fuse. Why means nobody got the shock.
I think he is mentally.
Little bit only. After she dead, they are mentally disturbed. They want a mentally free, that's why they came to village.
Then okay, how did you know this?
Auntie bring the candle, that time she told me.
Yesterday itself I told you, no, there is a problem here.
Take the bath, you get calm.
No, I don't. I'm okay with this.
Oh, I have a dress, no?
No.
Actually, we'll buy some dress, no?
We are not planning yet, right?
Okay, we'll get tomorrow.
Today I'll sleep in the balcony, yaar. Without fan I can't sleep here, so I'm planning to go outside, yaar.
You come morning, no? Okay, go to sleep, okay?
Just lock it, yaar.
You call me, okay?
Okay. Good night.
Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams. What happened, yaar? Bhaiya, wake up! Bhaiya, wake up! Bhaiya! Oh my God, it's him only. Your uncle killed a Bengali boy.
What are you telling?
I saw this. When he is doing that, I saw that.
Hey, Tara, uncle is very innocent. Wait. Tara, uncle is very innocent.
No, your uncle killed a Bengali guy.
You say it?
I didn't see your uncle, but he just died in front of
Tara,
me.
please cool down. Uncle, not that person. Cool down. Cool. Okay.
Open the door, Dia. Dia,
Wait.
open the door, Dia.
Wait.
Dia, open the door. What happened, Dia?
Nothing, uncle.
What happened? Huh?
You don't know anything, right?
Tara, what are you doing?
You just
Tara?
killed the Bengali boy. I've seen that.
Me?
You can't hide
What are
it.
you
That
saying?
you just killed the boy.
Hey, I didn't kill
just
him.
when I see
What are you
you.
saying?
Move away. Are you mad?
He is a mad. He killed that Bengali boy. I've seen that.
Who?
You know.
Who told you? Till now, both
I
of
have
us were
seen
sitting
that.
in the room. Do you have any idea about that?
Tara.
Dia,
Tara,
I didn't
listen.
kill anybody.
I'll explain you. Tara, please. Tara, uncle
What
is
is
very
happening
innocent.
here?
God
He's not
knows.
killed him. If we kill him, the police will arrest you. No. He don't have the stamina to kill that person. Tara, listen. This is Kerala. If we kill the person, the police will arrest. No. How he do in this house? Actually, he do means how the relatives react.
I've seen that, Dia.
What you seen, Tara?
Tell me, where did you see him dying?
In downstairs.
Come with me. Come with me. Let's go and see. Come.
Uncle, I'm also coming.
No, not necessary. You both be here.
Okay.
I'll take care.
You just lock the door. Don't open until I come, okay?
Okay.
I didn't kill anybody. I heard somebody knocking at the door. That's why we came to your room. That was the sound we heard from your room.
I saw him in the downstairs.
Come with me. Let's go and see. Where did you see him?
There.
Come. We'll go down and see. Where? Tell me. Where?
Here.
Here, where?
Oh, what?
It's just your imagination.
Here only I saw that.
I don't understand the problem. We'll see in Bengali's room. Come with me. Come. See who is here? Now tell me who's sleeping here. You're just speaking your imagination. You're making fool of the people. Come with me. What to do with you? You told me that somebody killed the Bengali guy.
Give me a second.
Huh?
Give me a minute. I'll check once again. Give me
Now
a minute.
what's your problem? I don't know what is he going to see there now. Now what's her doubt?